Hello, friends. If you've worked with me at all, you know how much I love Canva. I swear I probably spend more time on this app than anything else. Today, I want to show you the importance of setting up brand kits and how you can use those. What you see right now is the brand kit for Blue Dot Digital Marketing. You just basically go to the brand kit menu item, and you're going to upload your logos and/or photos that you might want to use. You can either upload your colors specifically, or you can go to one of your logos and get the logo colors, and it will pull the logo colors down here for you. The other awesome thing to do in here is to choose your brand fonts. You can either use fonts that are already within Canva, or if you have purchased a font specific to your business, you can upload that here. Let's see how these actually work though. When you go to create a design, such as a simple Instagram post, for example here, if you pick a template, it's not really necessarily going to be in your colors. What's great about the brand kit and styles is you can then click styles over here on the left. I have various people in mind, but once you click, you can choose your own brand kit, and you'll see that your colors and everything are pulled right up here for you. So let's say we want to change all of this to make it my colors, because obviously these yellows and greens aren't going to work for me. You can click your logo palette right here, and look at this. Canva automatically changes it up to be in your colors. You can click a few times to get other options. Seriously, this is worth the $10 a month that they charge. You can also click if you want to use your fonts. And again, same thing, you can click it more than once and see if it changes it up much. But having this option to be able to choose any template that Canva has and apply your branding to it makes it really simple to be able to be consistent with your brand and not spend a million hours trying to fix things up. If you have any questions on how this works, let me know.